going to demonstrate how to remove a MaxPac XC from its transit case. We're going to start by taking the transit case and putting it on its lid. We're then going to come around and release the 5 clasp at security. Then, by grabbing the handle, we're just going to remove it. You'll notice the keyboard, the mouse, and the power cord are secured in the bottom well. But the MaxPac XC is sitting pretty here. Looking closely at the legs, they have to be deployed. One of the ways we get the transit case smaller is we have folding feet. In order to deploy or fold feet, just grab it, lift it up, and swing it out. And then we'll return to a locked position.
Stop.
Same on the other side. Grab it, pull up, rotate out. Now your feet are deployed in a tilted position. Now it's just a matter of sitting the unit upright. We're going to just pick the unit up by these handles in the back. You can open the display by pushing the tab numbered 1 into the position you like, and then you can just adjust the display to the angle that you prefer. And that applies if it's 1 or 2 displays, it doesn't really matter. What normal use comes on the left side, and you can see your USB connectors here, and you can hook up your mouse and keyboard, like so. And your power connection. Just so that you know, this thing can also run off 28 volts DC if there's a UPS installed, and that is the optional connector for that. And here's your AC. This can run off of any AC source from 90 to 264 volts. And the right side reveals the solid state disc, the 4 rotating discs, and the optical drive. It's very important to properly secure your peripherals in the bottom of the case before you load the computer back in, the MaxPac back in. Be sure you've tightly wrapped up the cables, and make sure that the keyboard is secured underneath the straps. These are one wrap Velcros, and they stick very easy. Same is true, make sure you've put the 1 wraps around your AC power cord. You don't want it flopping around if at all possible. And then there is the mouse, which you can tell from its shape, just fits in that little compartment right there. We're going to start by laying the displays face down and the feet towards the rear. Just put it on the lid like that. Lift up and collapse the feet back. Lift up, collapse the feet back. And then with the handles, just rotate this into the case. Push it over. Let gravity do all the work. And now you're packed and ready to go.